An hour and a half later, we've got all the drywall cut back. We've also pulled the handle, which was an Allen wrench, and 2 Phillips screws, pulled that cover off, and then twisted out the neck. So now, in this case, it's been caught in the corner, which we'll probably have to cut it. The caulking didn't do very well. I don't know what brand it was to tell you not to use, but it ended up not doing real well. Having that orange edge to it. And we're going to use this again. She's giving it to her brother, and so we're going to take care not to tear this up. Sometimes they slide down, so you literally have to cut out more at the top and they hook in, but this one doesn't. So you have to figure that out. So now we have to pull the screws out on the bottom edge, pull this cover off, disconnect the bottom. That'll be a journey itself. I think the wood looks pretty good. I probably will put something across here, here, and here for it to be no movement at the top. But we're making progress, and now we go to lunch.